Welcome back, students. I'm Mrs. Stuart-melland. So a little bit about me. Um, this is my first year teaching, and I'm really excited to meet all of the students. For the last 8 years, I have been working as an office manager and head graphic designer for the Minot Air Force Base and Velvet Area Voice newspapers. There, I specialized in layout and advertising design and print production. Because of my experience at the newspapers, I am well versed in Adobe Design Suite programs. I also have a Bachelor of Fine Arts in Graphic Design and a BSc in Art Education. Um, while living in Minot, North Dakota, I was involved with 62 Doors Gallery and Studio Spaces. I was the coordinator for Minot Street Art Movement, and I also own my own freelance graphic design business, um, which is called Tweetheart Designs by Tanya Lee. In my spare time, I also enjoy snuggling with my dogs. I have a greyhound named Grant and an English Bull Terrier named Maybe. I like hanging out with my family, traveling, and reading. I am currently trying to read 50 books this year, and I am at number 35. I will be teaching Communications, Technology, and Photography 1. I will be at South Fargo and Davies High Schools. And since I will be at two high schools and traveling, I may not always be in my classroom, but feel free to email me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm so excited for this school year to begin, and I'm so excited to see you all real soon. Have a great year.